Hey, welcome back to Little Green Dog's animation tutorial series. This is part 2 of our tutorial on different ways to operate Moho's switch layer. In part 1, we learned about the 7 official methods, including the working areas pop-up list, and my favorite method, the switch selection window. In this episode, we'll pick up where we left off and learn about the mysterious 8th method, the select switch layer command. And as a bonus lesson, we'll also learn about the select bone layer command. Alright, let's get started. The version of Moho we'll be using is 14.3. In part 1, I showed how to use the standard Moho shortcut Shift-Alt-Right-Click to select an artwork layer's switch layer or parent group layer. However, this shortcut doesn't work for a switch layer when the artwork layer is nested inside a child group layer. As you may recall, I solved this problem by using Alt-Right-Click to select the artwork layer, and then pressing Shift+S to select the switch layer. And many of you rightfully reacted with, Of course, Shift+S is not a standard Moho shortcut, and I was able to do this only because I installed a custom tool script called Select Switch Layer. Today, I'll show you how to get this script, how to install it, and how to set it up. If you'd like to follow along, a free Moho activity file can be downloaded from the link in the description. So where did the Select Switch Layer script come from? This script is my modification of another script called Select Bone Layer, created by my friend Davoodice. Select Bone Layer allows me to jump instantly to the parent bone layer by pressing Shift+B. This script is very convenient when animating a scene, and I recommend installing it, which we'll talk about later. But I needed a script for jumping to a switch layer, and I wondered if Davoodice's script could be modified to do just that. To be honest, I consider myself a noob when it comes to Moho scripting, but luckily, modifying the script turned out to be easy, even for me. So now that you know what the script is and where it came from, let's download and install it. First, in Moho, open your custom content folder by going to File, Open Custom Content Folder. If this command isn't available, it means you haven't set it yet. To set the custom content folder, go to the menu Help, Set Custom Content Folder, and follow the instructions. If you're completely new to the custom content folder, I'll explain more about it in another tutorial. After setting your custom content folder, open it from the File menu. Now close Moho, and move the custom content folder aside. Next, download the Select Switch Layer script file from the link in this video's description. After unpacking the zip file, you'll find a folder called Scripts. This folder contains the tool script and icon for the switch selection tool. Right-click drag the Scripts folder to the custom content folder and choose Copy. This adds the script and icon to your Tools window. Now launch Moho. At the bottom of the Tools window, you should see a button with a switch layer and an arrow on it. When you hover over the button, the tooltip should say, "Hi, I'm your new switch selection tool. Thanks for installing me." But since you two just met, it will only say, Switch Selection Layer. Don't feel bad, it's a little shy, and some friendships take time to grow. Anyway, to use this script, we need to do one more thing. We need to assign a shortcut. To do that, go to Edit, Edit Keyboard Shortcuts. Before we can edit the keyboard shortcuts, we need to create a custom settings file. I already have one called MQC14, but you can create your own custom settings by clicking the New button and giving it a name. Maybe something like My Shortcuts. I'm going to use my MQC14 settings. I'll explain what MQC is in a future video, but for now, we just need to select a settings file that isn't the default settings. Now, in the Action Filter box, type Select Switch Layer. If you don't see it, scroll down to the bottom, and it should be there. Click in the shortcut box and press Shift+S. This sets the shortcut for this command to Shift+S. Close the window. Now we can use Shift+S to invoke the Select Switch Layer tool. Let's do that now. First, make sure the switch selection window is open so we can see the result. Press Alt and right-click over the mouth art. Then press Shift+S to load the switch layer. Pretty cool, huh? By the way, this shortcut will select the switch layer even when the artwork is nested inside multiple levels of group layers. And if the switch layer is nested inside another switch layer, just press Shift+S again, and Moho will select the switch layer's parent switch layer. So if you like using the Select Switch Layer tool, you'll also want to install Davoodice's original Select Bone Layer tool. Let's do that now. First, open your custom content folder, and then quit Moho. Next, download the DV Bone Select Layer script from the link in the video description. Unpack the zip file, and you'll see a folder containing the script file and its button icon. These files need to be copied directly to the Tools folder. To do this, open the Scripts folder, and then open the Tools folder. Now drag copy the two files to the Tools folder. If you look at the files here, you'll find the Select Switch Layer script and other third-party scripts you may have installed previously. On my computer, I have a lot of scripts in my Tools folder. In future tutorial videos, I'll review and recommend some of my favorite third-party scripts. Now let's launch Moho. In the Tools window, you should see a new button for the Select Bone Layer tool. Now go to Edit, Edit Keyboard Shortcuts, and make sure it's set to your custom settings. In the Actions filter box, type Select Bone Layer, and scroll down until you see the Select Bone Layer command. Click the shortcut box and press Shift+B. Close the window. And now, when we're on a layer inside a character rig and we press Shift+B, Moho selects the parent bone layer. Isn't that special? I think so. Some of you may be wondering why we didn't use the Install Script command from the Scripts menu. The Install Script command can be a quicker way to install a script, but it only works when the script files are organized to match the custom content folder's directory structure. When they're not, we need to install the files manually. If you come across a script that doesn't follow the directory structure, and you're unsure where to install the files, just ask in the Lost Marble forums or the Moho Animation Software Discord server, and I'm sure someone there will help you. Well, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, please consider making a donation on our new Ko-fi page. Your support allows me to create the best tutorials I can for you. And of course, it's deeply appreciated. To visit our Ko-fi page, click the ko-fi.com/littlegreendog link in the video description below. Watch for a special announcement video about our Ko-fi page and all the fun stuff we have planned for it. Thanks for watching, stay safe, have fun, and I'll see you soon. Meow.